Welcome to Iconic Mortgage. I'm Alexander, founder and CEO, and I want to educate you on 4 tips and tricks that the big banks don't want you to know about because they like making money. First tip is surprisingly something new that's been happening in the mortgage industry. Banks are starting to charge an application fee anywhere from $500 up to $1,000, and it ain't necessary.
No.
I want you to know that if you start an application and the loan does not get closed, where does the money go? The bank keeps your money and you got nothing. So don't work with an institution that's charging you an application fee. It ain't right, it ain't fair, and we ain't having it up in here. Tip number 2, watch out for the teaser rates. And what that is a very low interest rate that makes you excited to work with the bank. What it could mean is the bank's gonna front load all the fees on the back of the loan and you won't even know about it because it's gonna be in some fine print all the way at the bottom of the paperwork, and they're hoping you don't see it. So make sure you analyze all the documents, and again, be wary of banks that are offering the low teaser rate and not explaining to you the bank's fees that go along with that rate. Tip number 3, when you're doing a home loan, you're gonna have to do an appraisal in most cases for a purchase or a refinance. And that could cost you anywhere from $500 up to as high as $1,500. And what you need to know is that fee can be waived. If that bank or that mortgage banker has love for you, they should be able to waive it. So don't forget, you can ask, hey, can we get rid of that fee? And if they got love, it can be gone. Tip 4, if you're working with a federally chartered bank, they do not have to disclose all their fees, and that's crazy. If you're working with a mortgage banker, they do have to disclose all their fees. So please make sure you know who you're working with and make sure you double check that all the information and fees have to be disclosed. So thank you for listening in on our 4 tips and tricks to watch out in the mortgage industry. Stay tuned for more, and I will keep on educating you so nobody can take advantage of you when you're purchasing a home. Thank you.